Hope your day's going well. Join me as we open door number 17 of the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar. What keyboard macro is used to get a cat on a computer? A tabby. Tab plus E. You see? Tabby. A tabby is a breed of cat. Today's Switch is a TTC Gold Pink. It's a 37 gram linear spring. It's plate mounted and it is lubed. So 37 gram, that's a very lightweight spring. Look at those colors. Wow, that's a really fast switch. This is going to be used for gaming, that's for sure. Let me know in the comments what your preferred spring weight is in a Switch. Until next time, I'll see you all tomorrow. Hit that subscribe and notification icon.